Hello. Sometimes these bottle lids can be quite hard to open, especially if you've got weak hands, or you've got a bit of arthritis in your hands. So what I've found is useful in this situation to remove bottle lids that are quite hard to get off is an oil filter wrench, and that'd be the wrench that you would use on your car to remove or install an oil filter when you're doing the oil change. But in this case, I'm going to use it on the bottle. Now this oil filter wrench is nice and clean. I'll give it a good clean beforehand, before I put it near this bottle of food. So there we go, just put it on the lid and turn it round in a counterclockwise, anti-clockwise direction, and just a bit of a push, a bit of leverage there, and the lid comes off, and bump that off with the oil filter wrenches. I've taken it off, but there we go. That's a simple way to remove a stubborn lid on a bottle. If you're having trouble getting it off, you can use an oil filter wrench. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.